What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here with the Auto Works. Today we're continuing our Rustoleum custom mix series with an awesome new spray out. I got my fender prepped up behind me. That can only mean one thing. We're going to two-tone it with Rustoleum colors, shoot a crazy new sea of pearl over top of it today, because we are kind of going down the line with those right now, and see if we can't create something interesting. Well, when I was looking at combinations for today's episode, I was just kind of like, man, I don't know what to do. I want to do something, something different, something crazy today, just because, I don't know, it just felt like it. It was one of those days. You ever have those days where you just want to try something crazy? Well, this is it. So today we got Satin Magenta and we got this green, spring green. Sorry, couldn't remember the name. But we're going to be shooting an Abysmal C color shift over top of it. This is like a blue-green type color shift. And over the green, I was like, that might be safe. Over this magenta, I have no idea what it's going to do. But I wanted to try it. I wanted to do something crazy for you guys today. And yeah, I'm excited to get into this video. Let's get the two-tone on this fender behind me. And let's see if we can't create something cool, guys. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so we got these crazy Rustoleum colors laid down. I'm using my Speedo Coat Clear today, 4-to-1 mix. I did 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of activator. That's 5 ounces total. And it's a medium temp activator. It's about 75 degrees out today. So that should give us plenty to shoot over this fender. And Abysmal C. Wow, this is a blue-green color shift. So I am really excited to see what it does today, because I think it's going to be crazy over these colors. And as usual, I do about 3/4 of a teaspoon. This is the Sea of Pearl, the color shift. So we are continuing with that series a little bit. But all in all, looks pretty crazy. Let me bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is Abysmal C. As you can see, it is a blue-green color shift, like I said. Here it is in the mix, and let me get to mixing it. And right away you can see all different variations of blue. So it's going to be very interesting to see what all these variations of blue do over top of the magenta and over the green, and what everything translates to. So, but if you see it quiet down a little bit, and you can see all the color variations, yeah, this is going to be an interesting one today, guys. This is definitely an oddball, but I'm excited. Let's load up the V4 gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my Abysmal C loaded up in my V4 gun. It's a 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 psi. If you decide to replicate the settings, that is wide open trigger. I'm going to do a light coat first to make sure we don't have any issues. Followed up by 1 or 2 follow-up coats, and just get the desired effect, take it outside in the sun and see what we got. So I'm going to put my mask on and let's get spraying. Alright guys, so Abysmal C. Now this was a very interesting color shift. Obviously the blues dominated today. And it looks really cool and honestly kind of contrasts the green very well. Where it gets crazy though is when you move over here to the magenta. Man, that flop on that magenta, it is a crazy contrast. Very cotton candy-ish. So it's going to be one of those things I think either you love it or you hate it. But either way, you got to say, that is pretty cool. It's a cool effect. But either way guys, it ain't up to me. Let me know what you thought of today's spray out. Alright guys, well there you have it. Abysmal C color shift over top of Satin Magenta and Spring Green. Now, I know this is not going to be for everybody, but it's always fun to play with new color combinations and see if you can't create something cool. So ultimately, I'm leaving it up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't care for it. 5 is the greatest thing you've ever seen. You can rate it anywhere in between. If you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so I can keep doing crazy episodes like this. And leave me a like and comment, guys. Let me know what you thought of today's episode. If you want to buy Abysmal C Pearl for your next project, the clear, the paint gun, anything you saw me use today, links will be in the description. You can click As Seen on YouTube. It goes to my Amazon store. You can pick up anything I use on the channel there. We get a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the convenience and benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. I appreciate you guys for watching today. As always, I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.